Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA, 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We have reached day 30. And yes, the FAFSA opened early. It's already open since November 21st. So families, hopefully, you've already gone in and created your accounts and you've pulled your financial documents together and you're ready to complete the FAFSA. For this last day, we're going to talk about a very important portion of the FAFSA process, which is college selection. On day 9, we talked about how important it is to list the colleges in order of rank potentially based on scholarship requirements or the requirements of the college. And the FAFSA will accept 10 colleges. But if you want to add more colleges, you can reach out to studentaid.gov and they will add 10 more colleges. If you start to add more colleges than that, they will begin to swap out names of colleges on the list. But you can reach out to get more colleges added, up to 10 more colleges. And so college selection is so important. It's as important, if not more important, than the financial information provided. Because if you recall from day 3 how colleges use the SAI, or Student Aid Index, we used an example of a family that had a Student Aid Index of $12,500. And they had a choice between 2 colleges, College A, which had a cost of attendance of $72,500 with a calculated need of $6,000. College B had a cost of attendance of $43,500, which resulted in a calculated need of $31,000. But what we didn't talk about on day 3 is that College A could meet 90% of the financial need. There are some colleges out there that meet 90%, 95%, or even 100%. And in that case, if they meet 90% of need, the college will cover $54,000 of the bill, which would mean the family's out-of-pocket cost would be $18,500. Okay? College B might only meet 55% of the need. There are some colleges that only meet 55 or 50 or 60%. It depends on the college you select. And so if this college only meets 55% of the need, they will cover $17,050 of the $43,500 bill, resulting in an out-of-pocket cost of $26,450. Yes, a college with a lower price can cost more out of pocket. So please be sure to check out College Cost Cutter. We have a student positioning system that will help you to maximize financial aid eligibility and pay the least out of pocket as possible. We're at collegecostcutter.com. Our information is also in the description below. Thank you so much for joining us for this series. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, continue to share this series with others. Even though we've gone through the 30 days, people can listen over and over and over again to this series, and new people can join in and catch up. So we appreciate you. We look forward to your questions. We hope to do a seminar or workshop for your school or church or group, and we wish you all the best in your students' academic endeavors. Thank you again, and we will see you next time. Go ahead and join our groups and pages so you can participate in upcoming series that we have as well. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Bye.